Too many birds in one tree. Too many birds in one tree. And the sky is full of black and screaming leaves. The sky is full of black and screaming. And one more bird, then one more bird, and one last bird, and another. One last blackbird without a place to land. One last blackbird without a place to be. Turns around in hopes to find the place at last knew rest. Oh, blackbird, over black rain burn. This is not where you last knew rest. You fly all night to sleep on stone, the heartless rest that in the morn will be gone. You fly all night to sleep on stone, to return to the tree with too many birds, too many birds, too many birds.